Today I have the Osmo Genius Starter Kit. This thing has been great for my kids. It's really good for ages 6 through 10. I'm a big fan of let the kids play while they're learning and they have no idea that they're learning. And this is a perfect example of that because you put digital along with using your hands, which for me, that helps me learn a lot. So in this game, it does not come with the iPad or the Fire or anything else. You do have to provide your own, but it has all the pieces to work with it. You have your base and the reflector. And then inside here, you have your games. You have the tangram pieces are in here that you can then build a design that it'll show you, and you've got to then pick out your pieces to shadow it. And as they're putting those pieces down, they'll see real time what's happening. So it's kind of that instant gratification for that child. So that is super nice. Each one of these cases have this nice removable lid and they can stack up. And then they have nice thick pieces to be able to handle for little hands. And then the next one in here, you've got your letters. I really like this game because I'm a big fan of word puzzles, and they have quite a few different puzzles on there. They've got lowercase and the uppercase letters on here. So that really helps with identifying the letters for the child as well. Again, play and learn all together. That is a win-win for both parent, teacher, child, anybody. I love that idea. And the last little thing in here is a number and almost like a dice. It's the number, looks like a dice on here, so they can identify and just count. So those children that aren't quite there yet, to be able to know that this is 2, they can go 1, 2, and use their dice on here. And then we just have the traditional numbers as well. So this is a really nice little math game to help with their math skills. And then you just slide this in on the base. You'd get your iPad, you put that here, and then your reflector goes over the top of the iPad on the camera, and it's got this little mirror in here that reflects the camera down onto the surface so the child can play their game and learn. I love the Osmo games.